Hi guys, in this very simple tutorial I am going to show you how to make Facebook account private, completely private, every post, every information. Let's dive in. First of all, let's launch the Facebook app. You're going to be hit by your profile. You want to click on the top right corner where is the gear icon. You click on the gear icon and now we're in the settings and privacy. You want to scroll down, and due to the recent updates, things are very easy to find. Let's click on privacy checkup right over here. When you click on privacy checkup, the first option that you want to focus and make your account private, completely private, is to click on the who can see what you share. Very easy. Click on the first one and there you have it. Here you will be able to change the privacy on every public information that you currently have, including posts and stories, including your audience, meaning your friends, who is your friend and who you are actually following, including the public pages, who is actually tagging you on what, all the content that you're currently tagged in, and all the blockings, right? Everyone who currently is blocked on your blocking list, everything could actually be hidden. All you gotta do is to click continue, and there you have it. You will have the option to make, first of all, the contact information, your email. You can create privacy curtain behind when is your birthday, when you was born, right? You can hide your relationship status, you can hide your current city, your education, your friends, your following, your posts, absolutely every piece of content that is currently public or limited to friends or to particular parts of your friends could simply be made private. You understand the power of this new update from Facebook, which simply allows you to take over full control, and you can make, in a matter of minutes, all of your content, all of your information, all of your public presentation completely private, and people will be having a hard time even finding your account when they Google. So this is how you're gonna go about it. For more tips and tricks like this, guys, subscribe and follow for more.